Hi everybody, this is my first ever screencast and I'm doing this for Tamiko. So what I'm going to show you is I posted about how to use Pinterest to do or Tailwind Tribes to do your pinning of your own stuff. So the current recommendation is that people should be pinning, make that a little bit bigger. People should be pinning about 80% of their own content and 20% of other people's. I find it hard to pin my own stuff sometimes because I forget what I've pinned, and it is important though to go back on your blog and make sure you have pins of everything. So what I'll do sometimes is I'll go on my menu and I'll pick something from my menu and I'll make sure every post that is in that menu option has a pin and has been pinned lately. So one of the questions Tamiko had was what I was talking about the little yellow circle. So let me show you that. If you go to a pin, here, let me show you what I was doing. Here, I'll start with actually what I was talking about with tribes. So if you go to tribes, and I think the screencasting makes it a little bit slow, so you'll have to bear with me. Okay, I'm going to go to just a bigger one that I have. So this is one of the ones I do. So if you go up here, you see where it says yours instead of new. So if you click on yours, it's going to show you all of your pins. So the great thing is here it has where you can type the board names in and you can just go ahead and reshare these to your boards. Now, let me find one I haven't done lately because I did a whole whack load of these the other day. But let me show you one. Okay, these Easter printables. This is totally not helpful right now, but whatever. So I would say Easter, Merry About Town, because that's my blog board, free printables, kids, crafts, and activities. So these are the boards that I probably am going to put it on there. So you see this little yellow circle here. So if you click on that, it's going to tell you that you've pinned this specific pin to the same page 3 months ago. So we did it on kids, crafts, and activities 3 months ago, one pin. So that's fine. Now, if this came up and it said I did it 3 days ago, I probably would not want to pin that again to that board because you're wanting to pin, it depends. Some people say that you should be only pinning like every 80 days or something. There's new things out because Pinterest says they don't like things over and over again. I haven't really changed. I try to do all of my pins at least 30 days apart from each other. So that's what I do. So sometimes it's a little glitchy. So you have to click kind of on another pin to get it to go like this. And then you just say add to your queue. And then what I do, some people use interval. I don't because I don't really know how. I know, right? It's ridiculous. So I just go into my scheduled pins and you see they're all over here. And then I just hit shuffle and that just shuffles them all. Yes, shuffle my queue. And then I look and see, yeah, they look pretty good. So these are my smart loops. So somebody in the thread mentioned smart loops. I do use them, but I haven't found that they get repinned nearly as much as pins that I just put in there myself. So I'm not loving the smart loop. I do pay for it, but it's not my favorite. Let's see if there's anything else. So that's kind of the question. If you have any other questions, let me know and I'll try to do it again. Okay, thanks.